with process solutions for industry. I'm here at Holmach with Chris. Talk me through one of the pieces that we have here, Chris.
All right, well, we're a thermal processing specialist, but this year we're launching a new system from Germany for high pressure processing of food products. And the big advantage of that is you don't use any heat and you still get a microbial reduction. So where we're looking at products like kale or spinach, used in smoothies, or in other food products where you don't want to cook it, so seafoods like oyster and lobster, it's designed to give a pasteurization without actually using any heat. So the product is better, tastes better, and is actually still raw when you eat it.
Excellent. And you have a couple of other pieces of machinery on display here as well. If we take a little walk over and a look. Now, this one we're about to have a look at is about rapid heating and rapid cooling, I believe. So tell me a little bit more about how this can be used.
Well, classic examples of this are in things like confectionery and also in the chilled foods marketplace, where you've got products which are heated to make them, so as you would make a sauce or a soup at home. But the challenge is always with food products is to get them cold as quickly as possible. And this system is able to take products from around about 90 to 95 degrees C down to 2 to 3 degrees C in about 90 seconds. And the advantage of that is you get better product quality, better crystallization if you've got sugars or things like that in it, but also to get the temperature down so you don't get any regrowth of any microbial properties of the product. So pathogenic material especially is what we're trying to get rid of, and rapid chilling does that. And for rapid heating, what we're looking forward to, if you're doing things with vegetables in, where you're looking for crispness of vegetables, good flavor, good color, then the idea is to heat it rapidly, hold it for a very short time, and then cool it rapidly, and you'll get textures which are just like you would at home, rather than squishy vegetables and sort of horrible fruits.
Interesting. I'm sure that's very useful for a lot of your clients that you work with. And finally, we have a machine here which is very, very active. I'm sure a lot of you have been impersonating it as you've been walking past. Let's talk about what this piece of kit does here. It kind of removes potential dangerous bacteria from nuts and seeds.
Just recently there's been a lot of studies, scientific studies into bacteria that gets onto dry ingredients, so seeds and nuts, herbs and spices. And certainly a lot of the marketplace is now demanding pasteurization and also colouring, so we can pasteurize and toast on the same machine. So for things like nuts, air roasted nuts, which is very popular because they're low in fat, you don't have to have a lot of oil usage. Then we're able to remove pathogenic material, so salmonella, E. coli and listeria, but also to colour them very accurately. So if you want a light toasted nut or a light toasted seed or a very dark toasted cereal, so something you'll use in the production of beers, we can do that all on the one machine on a continuous basis. So brand new technology.
Fantastic. Well, it's great to see the machinery that you have here on the stand. Do make sure you come and have a closer look. Chris, thank you very much.
Thank you very much indeed.